Mingalava. Today is a week 6 for Burmese conversation and script lessons. So I will go back a summary versions of week 5 for conversation. Then we're going to revise the week 1 to 5 scripts and we will move to the week 6 scripts. So in week 5, what do we learn from week 5 is asking what nationality are you? Nationality in Burmese is Lu Myo. What is Ba? So how do you ask a question is Ba Lu Myo Le? Okay, Ba is what? Lu Myo is nationality. Ba Lu Myo Le. And then you will respond at I'm a Burmese and where are you from? And then you reply that you are a Burmese nationality and ask for the other person what nationality is he or she is. Yeah. So I'm a Burmese. Myanmar Lu Myo Ba. So you can say in a polite way Myanmar Lu Myo Ba Khamya, Myanmar Lu Myo Ba Shin, and you ask the other part Min Go Ba Lu Myo Le, Min Ba Lu Myo Le, Min Shin Khamya will be the same content. Min Go Ba Lu Myo Le. And then the other person respond at I'm an American and I live in California. So in Burmese, American Lu Myo Ba California Ma Ne Ba De. California is the place, right? Ma is where Ne is a live. California Ma Ne Ba De. And then he or she will ask where do you live? And then you will say that I live in Yangon. So Jano is a male context, Jama is a female context, right? Jano Yango Ma Ne Ba De. Yango Ma Ne Ba De. Okay. Then we go to the vocabulary. We learn about telephone is same as in Burmese. We say it's a telephone. Eyeglasses, we say in Burmese, Myanmar. Yeah, man is a mirror, but it's same meaning for glasses. Okay, Myet is a short for the eye, right? So Myet si in actually is about is saying that the eyes. So Myet man eyeglasses, many percent. Okay, photograph in Burmese tapo, camera in Burmese camera, paper in Burmese saku. Table in Burmese Zabwe. Bed, the place where you sleep in, is 8 ya. Chair in Burmese color time. Room in Burmese a can. Bedroom in Burmese 8 can. So 8 means sleep. Okay, room is can. A can is room. So 8 can. Then you can call it living room and so on. We will learn later on. Okay, this week we move to the conversation for 5 sentences, right? So the first one is, what are you learning or what are you studying? So this is the one they ask. What are you studying? Okay, so you say in Burmese, okay, ba tin ni da le, okay, ba tin ni da le. Remember, le is a question mark, right? So ba is what? Tin means you studied or learned. Okay. Ni da le means you're asking about the present tense. So ba tin ni da le. Okay. So what are you studying? What are you learning? Ba tin ni da le. And you will say, I'm learning Burmese. Okay. This is you are saying I am learning Burmese, yeah? So I am learning Burmese, okay? So you will start with Burmese we call is Myanmar Sa. Okay, Myanmar Zaga Tenide, Myanmar Sa or Zaga. Sa is literature, Zaga is spoken language, okay? So here let's say Myanmar Zaga Tenide. So we call Myanmar is also Burma. It's the same, right? The same, but it will be a little bit difference in definition. But in this context, take it Burma Zaga, okay, Zaga is a spoken language, right? Zaga. Len is thin, right? Thin. Needed. Yeah, needed. So Myanmar Zaga thin. So the key content is Zaga means spoken language. Myanmar is the spoken context. So Myanmar Zaga thin. And then you ask what are you learning for? Okay, so and then that's okay. So the other person asks, is Burmese difficult? So is Burmese difficult to learn? Is Burmese difficult? So is Burmese difficult? So that means Burma Zaga, same thing. Burma Zaga is a spoken language, right? Burma Zaga difficult in Burmese in Burmese how you say is cat. Yeah, cat. The la or le is a question mark. Yeah, cat is difficult. Myanmar Zaga, this is Burmese. Zaga is spoken. Myanmar Zaga is spoken Burmese language is difficult. Is it difficult? Okay, so that's a question. Yeah. So let's go back from the beginning. So what we say is, what are you learning for? Okay, what are you learning? What are you studying? And you reply that Myanmar Zaga Tene. So you reply that I'm learning Burmese. Burma Zaga Tene. Okay, and then they ask like, is Burmese language difficult? So what it means, or how you say in Burmese is Burma Zaga Ketala. Yeah. So if you say it's not difficult, how you say? Ma, remember? Ma is no, right? Makepu, right? So you see the Makepu, yeah? Makepu, yeah? So bu is a ma and bu is a negative. Makepu, okay? So it's not difficult. And then you're going to ask, what are you learning for? Okay, so are you learning for? What are you learning for? So you ask the other side, what are you learning for? So that's the question. You in remember you can say in the three contexts me, Shin, or Kamya. Okay, what are you learning for? So that means you ask Shin go. Let's say Shin go. Shin is me, right? Shin ba tin ni le, right? So remember, ba is what? What language? You see, what thing? Thing is learn, right? What are you learning, right? You. So what are you learning? So you are asking, Shin go ba tin ni le, or Ming go ba tin ni le. Or you can eliminate go, okay? So it's a call, is a conjunction. Shin ba tin ni le, Min ba tin ni le. What are you learning? What are you studying? Yeah. So the other side says that I'm learning Chinese, but it's difficult. So the other side is saying that I'm learning Chinese, but it is difficult. Okay. So I am. So you say in the general or general for the male context, Jama or the female context. Let's say in the male context, general Chinese we say that the yoke. Okay. In Burma we say the Chinese the yoke. Okay. The yoke. Yeah. This is Chinese. Zaga, remember this is Zaga is a spoken language. Zaga, tin, ni, de. De is the ending for the sentence. The yo mean Chinese, alright, Chinese. Zaga is a spoken language, right? Spoken language. Chinese spoken language, tin is land, right? Ni de, I am learning Chinese. And then they say that it is difficult. Yeah, so it is difficult. What are you going to say is cat day, right? HTEK, cat day. Cat is difficult, okay? Difficult. So the opposite of difficult is easy, right? Easy is lue, okay? Is lue. So lue is easy, we say is lue. So if you say it's not easy, you will say meloebu. You remember ma and bu put at the front, and then put ma at the front. and put bu at the end, and then the one adjective put in the middle, right? Meluebu, okay? Meluebu means not easy, but you can say meluebu is the same as difficult. Cat day. Cat is difficult. They are the same, okay? Difficult and if you say meluebu, right? The same things. Okay, let's go back for today. So we cover 45 sentences, right? So the first one is, what are you learning? What are you studying? So what is in Burmese? Ba. Ba tin nira le. So what are you studying? What are you learning? Repeat after me. Ba tin nira le. Okay. So I am learning Burmese. Okay. Myanmar saga tin ni de. I am learning Burmese. Okay. Myanmar saga tin ni de. Is Burmese difficult to learn? Is Burmese difficult to learn? Myanmar Zaga Kala. Is Burmese difficult to learn? Myanmar Zaga Kala. It is not difficult, it is easy. Makepu is not difficult. Makepu Myanmar Zaga Lue de. Easy Lue, right? Lue de. It is not difficult. Makepu Myanmar Zaga Lue de. What are you learning? So if you ask the other side, Shin, me, Kamya, you can put anything, right? Shin, let's say in the context, me. Mingo Batin Nile. What are you learning? Mingo Batin Nile. I'm learning Burmese. It's not easy. Let's put in the context of the female. Jama Tayok Zaga Tinide. Jama Tayok Zaga Tinide. It's not easy. Maluebu. It's not easy. Maluebu. Okay? So that's for a conversation, right? Then we go to numbers. So we remember we start learning the numbers 1 to 10. So we go moving to 11 to 100. Okay. So it starts with 11, right? 11. So remember, let's go back to 10. How we call it 10 is a dese, yeah. Dese, yeah. 10 is a dese. So we take this and then put 1 after that. If you want to say 11. So set, okay, set it. T is, remember, T is 1. Set it, right? If you want to say 12, take this one, set it, okay? This is 1 to 10, right? Remember, 1 is T, 2 is ni, 3 is do, 4 is le, 5 is nga, 6 is cha, 7 is kon, 8 is shi, 9 is ko, 10 is the same. You need to revise that, right? So let's start again 1 to 10. 0 to 10, I start with 0. 0 is tonya, ti, ni, to, le, nga, cha, kune, shi, ko, the same. Remember that's we already done, right? So if you continue with this one, 11, set, we take the last one, set it, set the same plus the set 10 plus 1, set it, right? And then 12, set it. If you want to say 13, same thing, set to, you put a 1 to 10 number. 14, set le, right? 15, set nga, right? Keep going. 16, set cha, right? 17, set kon. 18, set shi, yeah? 19, set go. Then you go to 20. 20 is, remember we change only here. It's not da, it's na, let's say. Right? So we take is this one is nase. You got na is ni, na is true, nase. If you want to change 21, you take this one, nasete, nase, right? This is nase is 20. Yeah, nase, not nase, nase. So if you want to say 21, 21 you take 20 21 22 23 yeah 24 25 yeah copy that 25 yeah 26 29 28 29 then 30 30 duration 30 31 you do the same thing 31 32 32 yeah 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 keep going like that. If you want to go 40 lazy. So I'm going to show you that 20 to 100 in here, then 21 to 99 you just take in the first and then keep continue, right? So 20 we say 10 we say the say, right? Remember 10 is the say, 20 is the say, 30 is 30, yeah, 40 is lazy, okay, 50 is 50, 60 is 60, 70 is 70, right? Right? Remember, Kone is 7. 80 is 60. So cell means the one that tens, continues. 90 is 90. So if you go 91, 91, 92, 92, 93, 92, 94, 94, 95, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. That's how we call it 100. Ya. Remember, ya is 100. 100. If you want to say 200, ya. 300, ya. Say is a 10. Okay. So if I want to say 400, it's cost 400. In Burmese, 400 is liya. If it say 700, kunaya. $70, kunase. Okay, say is a tens, ya is a hundreds. Okay, that's all for today for script lesson, conversational spoken lesson. We will move to the script side, right? So script side every week. This is week 6. Every week we are doing 3 letters. Remember, we have a 33 consonants and 14 vowels. So I will go back to the one we already covered. Yeah. I write it and you say after me. Okay. Remember, when you practice, you need to write and say it at the same time. You have to memorize the script, right? So, Kaji, I will start with the longer version, right? Kaji, Kabwe, Gange, Kaji, Nga. Salo, Sale, Zakwe, Zamin, Zue, Nya. Okay? Tatalin, J, Tawinbe, Dayin Gok, yeah? Dayin Mo, Naji. We already finished up to here. In the shorter version, ka, ka, ga, ga, nga, sa, sa, za, za, nya, ta, ta, da, da, na. Okay, so now we're going to learn 3 words. The first one is, what we call is, we write like this, okay? It's like a 0, start from here, and then there, and then you're going to put another one in here. Okay, so in the arrow context, you go from here to here, the finish, then you go from here, yeah? So that is what we call is ta, wing, boo, yeah? In the shorter one, we call ta. The same pronunciation is a shorter version with this. This one we call it ta, ta, lin, j, but we pronounce as a ta in the shorter one. This one also we pronounce as ta. So ta win bu or ta. So we write here again, okay? In the longer one, da win bu, 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 da win bu. Shorter one, da, da, da. But you need to be on a cycle, right? Da. Don't open headed, right? Da, da. Da also has to be the same in line in that, right? In the horizontally, the height. Da. Da win bu. In shorter version, da. Okay. So the next one is the easy in the drawing. Okay. This is a 2-0, right? Remember, this is a if you have a 4-line script book, you're going to write in the middle. Okay. You start from here and this. Okay. So in the larger form, you go like this, Okay. Arrow contest, you go from here to here, you go from here to here. Yeah. So that is what we call is ta. Okay. Sin. Ta sin do. Ta sin do. In the shorter version, we call it ta. Okay. The same pronunciation with this one. Remember, this is we call it ta wimbe, but we call ta. Ta sin do and ta. Okay. Ta sin do, ta. So okay, we're going to write. Write and say. Okay. Write and say. Ta sin do, ta sin do. It has to be the same, the same alignment in horizontally. Ta sin do, ta sin do. You can write like this. This is not right, okay? This is not right, okay? So ta sin do, ta sin do, ta sin do. Ta, 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 ta. Ta, 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 ta. Ta has a meaning its own. If you say ta mean in Burmese, you stand up. Okay, ta stand up. Okay, ta is in Burmese is stand up. Ta, 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 ta. Okay, the last one. The last one for today is this. You got a 4-line contest number 3. Okay, that's we call it da dwe. Da dwe in the longer version, but shorter version da. Okay, so da dwe, 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 da 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 da. Okay, so let's start for today what we cover, and then I will go back from the beginning to the end, and then I will finalize for today. Da win bu, da win bu, da win bu, da win bu. Ta sin do, ta sin do, ta sin do, ta sin do. Da dwe, da dwe, da dwe, da dwe. The longer version. Da, 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 ta, 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 ta. Da, 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 da. Okay. So we will go back what we cover for consonants. Okay. Repeat after me. Ka ji, kha gui, ka nge, ka ji, nga. Sa long, sa le, za gwe, za min zue, nya. Ta talin jai, ta win be, da yin gao, da yin mo, na ji. Da win bu, ta sin du, da dwe. In the shorter version, ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. Sa, sa, za, za, nya. Ta, ta, da, da, na. Ta, ta, da. Okay, I will write it here full context and then you will remember. Yeah. So let's take ka, kha, ga, ga, nga. Sa, sa, za, za, nya. Ta, ta, da, da, na. Da, ta, da. Okay. Kaji, kagwe, gange, kaji, nga. Salon, sale, zagwe, zamizwe, nya. Da talinje, tawin be, da yin gao, da yin mo, na ji. Da win bu, ta sindu, da dui. So in the shorter one, this is ka, ka, the other same, ka, ga, nga. Okay? Sa, the two are the same, sa, the two are the same, the two are the same. Za, za, the two are the same, nya. Right? So nga, nya, okay? Ta, ta, these two are the same, da, da, na, okay? Ta, these two are the same, ta, these two are the same, da, these two are the same. Okay? So ka, ka, ga, ga, nga, sa, sa, za, za, nya, ta, ta, da, da, na. Remember these are different. Nga, nya, na, ta, ta, da. Okay? Okay, that's for the end of today. This is week 6. As I said that we're going to have a 2 weeks break for the Christmas and a New Year. So I wish all of you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So when we come back, just revise and then we keep going for what we left for. Okay? So as I've always mentioned, learning the language or everything what you learn, the key is consistent. Okay? You need to learn consistently and then gradually take it in and practice. Okay? So learning Burmese is not so difficult. Okay, you can do it, but it's up to you. Okay, all the best. Thank you. Mingalawa. I will see you next time.